All right, for our number 5 artwork, we are going to draw out 5 5s. So here's my finished one. 1 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll fill in the blank spaces with different colors. Okay, ready? Start with a really big one. 1, turn your paper. 2, 3, turn your paper again. There's my 4th 5 and my final 5th 5 right there. And see how the 5s cross over each other and will touch, creating different spaces. Now pull out your black marker and carefully trace over your number 5, not with the thin part like that, but the thick part. You want a nice, thick, black line going over your lines that you created with your number 5s. And 5s are really great and they're so important. Many of you are 5 years old. We have 5 fingers. We have 5 toes. 5 is a great number. So that is why we are using it, and it is from our inspiration art. Now, see all these spaces that our numbers have created? We're going to use all of these crayons because that's what we have been doing this week, is experimenting with color. And we're going to color in each space a different color with our crayons. And we're going to color that space in neatly and completely. All right, I'm going to fast forward even faster than I'm already going because I'm already in fast forward mode so that you can see how I color in every single space with a different color. All right, so real quick, I want to show you how to color in neatly and completely here. So see how I go back and forth, and then I just move my crown down? When you try to color in like this, it's really actually hard to color in when you go all over the place like this. You have all these little white spots everywhere. So what you want to do is you want to create just a line of color by moving your crayon back and forth, nice and neat. And see how that fills that space just by moving that crayon back and forth. And then you go around the edge of your space carefully and just going back and forth. So filling the edge of your space and then going back and forth to create those thick lines of color. All right, so now I'm just going to speed up a bit so that you can see how I go back and forth to fill in those colors. All right, so I'm going to show you again with my pink. So here's scribbly like that. That's not what we want. Going from the edge and going back and forth and just moving our hand down, back and forth, and then filling in around the edge so that we're filling it in neatly and completely.